So good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
How
Good
are you, all
morning,
of you?
sir.
Fine.
Fine,
How are
sir.
you?
I'm also
So
fine.
what about
So I think all
fine,
of you did
sir.
practice now for other previous questions. So
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
today we have a new topic, that is the definition list tag. Okay, definition list tag. As you see, uh, let me zoom this page. Okay, definition list. Okay, so I'm not going to type all the things. I'm just going to copy and see when you type this na, like we have to start the coding from doc type html, then html here, then the head tag, then we have to write title, then close title tag, then close the head tag, then we start a body tag, then this is a dl. Okay, dl is a definition list. Okay, definition list, we can call it description list also. And dt, it is the description title, or you can say definition title. So this, and then this description data. So whatever you write under the DD, so it will come like a paragraph. It will come like a parag. I will show the preview also sample na, and how it will come the after writing the coding, the page preview. Then we again write here definition title, again one more title like this, and then we write title here. Then again we start with DD. Okay, and then we write this thing. DD doesn't have any closing tag. Okay, it doesn't have any closing tag. Okay, now then we start the from DL. It is the main tag DL. Okay, and under the DL is the DT for title, and this DT for data. Okay, then we again write one title here, then again write one data, then close the DL, and then close the body in the HTML. It will look like this. See, this is a preview. Like if you write like the best of Santana, it will come like this heading, right? And whenever you're writing whatever you're writing in this DD option na, this paragraph will come like this. See, there's some gap from the left side, like it's the title and this is the detail. Okay, this is a title and this is a detail. The preview will come like this with this tag dl dt dd. Dl for the starting tag for this feature, and then for writing this title we have to write dt, and for writing this paragraph we have to write the dd here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and I will paste the same thing because it will save our time. But all of you have to type the coding. Okay, because if you type, so then you will learn only. Copy किया इसको, I'm going to paste it here. Is it clear, all of you? This doc type, opening tag, then HTML tag, then head tag, then we write here title tag, then we close it the title tag here, then we close the head tag here, then body, then DL, then DT. Okay, DT for I show you na, this title. Okay, then we write one DD under this DD we write the paragraph. This paragraph will come, it is a music like this. Then again we write one more title DT. So it's come like this na, DT. What we write here, Hyderabad it test with Destiny. So this will come like a title. Then we write the paragraph here like that. Okay, now I'm going to save this file, save,
Sir?
and going to save this file with the name 13.html.
Sir?
Okay, just wait a minute again. Okay, I'm going to save this file with the name 13.html, and then going to save. Then we'll see the preview also. Where is our file? No, where is our folder? This is our folder. Okay, this file. Okay, right click and open with Google Chrome. the same come na. We write here the DL first to start this definition list option. Then we write here the DT for this title. Then we write then we write here one title. Then we write here DD. Okay. Then we write here some paragraph, one paragraph. Then we again write one more title like this, and then we write here the paragraph. Okay. Then close the DL, then close the body, then close the HTML also. So this will come like this. So we can take another example also. Suppose you're going to search about anything. I'm searching a topic about the history of the Taj Mahal. Okay. So we'll some find out some detail, then we copy paste here. Na? Just wait. Wikipedia is best option to get the more details. Hmm. Like I want to write here this as a title. Okay. So I will copy this. Where I'm writing this, na? At the place of this, you can type the same thing. Okay. And then you write this as a copy, this, and then in this DD will paste. Okay, we'll paste the detail here. So if we like save, and then if we are going to refresh this page, so this will come like the same, right? Like there's a heading and this, and then write this paragraph. So it's also come. Okay. We'll insert the picture also, but not today, in the next class. Okay. So we can insert the picture also like this with that. यहाँ पे हम पिक्चर भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, आज नहीं करेंगे. हाँ. ओके. So need some more details. Like I can write about one more title is the like Tom. So I just copy at the place of GT. I am writing this. Hmm? And then going here and okay, where is that? Okay, this is the detail about the Tom, right? This and this also. So going to copy this and going to, I don't want this paragraph. I just paste it. I can enter करो and there's some more details is available here. Copy किया. Then I'm going to paste it again here and then file and save. Then refresh this page. Okay, it's like this. But if you want to give if you want to make a paragraph, okay, like from where is the paragraph the most spectacle? Okay, where is it written this? uh, from here is another paragraph, na? So you can write here like a P. I just save it, then going to this page and going to refresh it. So it will come like this paragraph. जैसे यहाँ पे है ना, ये paragraphs है. So you can write like a paragraph this. So you have to just write a P tag. Okay, like this the tag, na? So before you can write a paragraph and then close the paragraph. Then write another paragraph tag, and then after this close the paragraph. This same here again, write close the paragraph, start the paragraph, close, open paragraph. So it will come look like same like paragraph wise. Is it clear, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
where we'll use
Yes,
this
sir.
DL at the beginning of this option. If you're going to write going to write a paragraph and going to make headings like this, okay, and then should be gap between the heading and paragraph, na distance from the left side of the page, okay. So that time you have to start the coding DL, then you have to write a title under the DT tag, okay, and then no closing tag after DT. Then we have to write that paragraph, okay, as a data in under the DT tag. It is same like that. Very easy. Is it easy or tough?
Easy,
Easy,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Easy.
sir.
So it's your today's classwork also. So you have to do practice for this. Okay. Write some more paragraphs, some more this titles, search something from the Google about any of the topic, whatever you like, then create some pages. Okay. Okay. Then you have to write some pages, then apply and see the preview, how it does look like. Then try to make some paragraphs like this.
Okay, sir.
This DD means the description detail. Okay. And DL means the description list. Description list. And DT means description term. Description term. The exact meaning is the description term. And this most important thing when you were writing a paragraph, a story, something like that, and you when you write title like this and paragraph under this like that, na. So that time you have to use these tags DL, DD, DT.